Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Gmail on a browser or app. Once signed in, go straight to the left menu and open Trash. You do this because Trash contains messages removed from inbox or labels. It's the staging area for recovery. Make sure to expand more if Trash is hidden. If you're on mobile, tap the three-line menu and then Trash. Once done, skim subjects to find the deletion window and identify what you need to restore. Now locate the exact emails. Use Gmail's search with operators like in, anywhere, subject, keyword, or from email at example. Com to narrow results. This is faster than manual scrolling. Once you find items, check their boxes and choose Move to Inbox or apply the right label so they reappear in your workflow. Make sure to open messages with attachments to confirm content before restoring. If multiple items match, hold Shift to finish. If you want items gone forever, choose Empty Trash now. Remember, this is irreversible, so double-check first. If a message you expect isn't in trash and more than 30 days have passed, contact Google support immediately. Recovery becomes unlikely. Also, make sure filters or forwarding rules did not auto-archive or delete messages, and inspect spam and all mail. If syncing issues occur, sign out and back in or force a sync on mobile. That often resolves missing mail glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.